Algebra worksheet, solving multi-step equations. Directions: solve each equation, show your work. Problem 2. First thing you want to do is combine like terms. So there is a phi on the right side of the equal sign. There's a 5v and a 2v. You want to combine those. So 5v's and 2v's make 7v's. So we write our first step. Negative 12 equals 2 plus 7v. Next step is to get the constants on one side of the equation. So this is the left side of the equation, this is the right side of the equation. So we are going to subtract 2 from both sides. Whatever you do on the right side of the equal sign, you do to the left side of the equal sign. Subtract 2 from the right, subtract 2 from the left. You have a negative 12. You're subtracting 2 more. So it's going to be more negative because you're taking 2 away from a negative. So negative 12, negative 13, negative 14 equals 7v. All I did was recopy the 7v. Okay. Now you want to get v by itself. So negative 14 equals 7 times v. 7v means 7 times v. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 7. And we get negative 2 equals v. Or v equals negative 2. We put a box around it. That is solved. Problem 4. X plus 3 minus 3 equals negative 6. Once again, the first step, combine like terms. So you have a x, a 3, and a negative and a minus 3 equals negative 6. You only work on one side of the equation and the other side of the equation. So we're going to combine the 3 and the negative 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0, so they cancel each other out. Negative 6. And just by combining the like terms, it appears that I'm finished. So there's my answer. X equals negative 6. Okay, number 6. Negative 1 equals negative 3r plus 2r. Once again, the first thing we do is combine our like terms. We have a negative 1 on the left, nothing else to combine, nothing else there. A negative 3r and a 2r. Okay, so we're going to combine those. So you have negative 3r plus a 2r equals a negative 1r. You don't have to write out a negative 1. So I'm just recombining. I'm writing the negative 1 again. Equals, now I'm combining the negative 3r and the 2r. So that equals negative r. You know, it looks like we're finished, but we're not really finished because you can't have a negative r here. We got to get r by itself. So you can divide both sides by negative 1. A negative 1 divided by negative 1 equals 1. So we have a 1 equals r, or r equals 1. Put a box around that. Full picture. That's number 6. Number 8. Getting a little tricky. This one has groups. We have to use distributive property. So we have a negative 3 times the pair, 4r minus 8 equals a negative 36. First thing we got to do, we got to distribute out that pair. Get rid of these parentheses. So negative 3 times 4r minus negative 3 times 8 equals 36. So we have a negative 3 times 4r is negative 12r minus negative 3 times 8 is negative 24 equals 36. So now a negative minus negative is a positive. So negative 12r plus 12, plus 24 negative 12r plus 24 equals 36. Okay, now we need to get r by itself. So first we subtract 24 from both sides. And I'm going to move everything over here to the right. Actually, I will just work lower. We're not going to... we're just going to work lower. Okay. I'm going to write again. Negative 12r plus 24 equals 36. We're going to subtract 24 from both sides. Negative 12r equals 12. Now we need r by itself. So we're going to divide by negative 12. R equals negative 1. And we're doing number 10. 75 equals negative 3 times the pair negative 6n minus 5. First thing we need to do, we need to distribute. So 75 equals let's show it differently this time. 3 times negative 6n minus 3 times negative 5. So 75 equals 3 times negative 6n minus 3 times 5. So 75 equals negative 18n minus 15. Okay, now we need the n by itself. So we're going to add both sides by 15. $90 equals negative 18n. And then now we're going to divide both sides by negative 18. And we get negative 5 equals n, or n equals negative 5.